Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to read reviews and ratings on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can find more details about this location. Now click on the Reviews tab. You will find average star rating, total number of reviews, and individual user reviews below. Use the filter to sort reviews by most relevant, newest, highest rating, and lowest rating. Browse through the reviews to learn what people are saying about this location. Each review shows the reviewer's name, the rating they gave, the date of the review, the written feedback, and the photos posted by the user. You can use the search bar to find reviews related to specific keyword. This is how you can read reviews and ratings on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.